Whispers in the morning of lovers sleeping tight. I'm rolling by like thunder as I look in your eyes.
I hold on to your body and feel each move you make. Your voice is warm and tender, a love that I could not forsake.